scientists, this is Miss Preston. Today we are going to be learning how glacial erosion changes the surface of the earth. So for this experiment you're going to need a plate and then some sugar or salt. I use brown sugar because my brown sugar is pretty clumpy, so I thought that would be more like the earth's surface, but you could also use sand, something that has this quality to it. We are also using a frozen water bottle today. This is to simulate the glaciers. Glaciers are really big sheets of ice on the Earth's surface. So we're going to use this water bottle to pretend that it is the glacier moving on the Earth's surface. See how it's pushing? Glaciers are really heavy, so it's pushing that Earth away. Let's see what it leaves. So it really pushed the land with it as it went. I hope you learned something about glacial erosion and how it changes the Earth's surface. I'll see you next time. Bye!